Hello everyone, welcome to our channel MS Ukani Private Tuition. So today we are going to study about Standard 12 Accounts, Part 1, Chapter number 1, Introduction to Partnership. In that, exercise short sum, question third in that 6th one. Okay, so let us read the question for the 6th one. Profit of a partnership firm of a Sheila, Surbi and Sanket is 1,35,000. The three partners are given in the firm and the profit for all the three partners is 1,35,000. Next statement, they have share in ratio 2:1:3 instead of 3:2:3. What accounting treatment is to be given in the capital account to rectify the error? Means they have distributed this 1,35,000 in wrong ratio, that is 2:1:3 instead of this correct ratio, that is 3:2:3. Means these three partners had made one mistake, that is they had made a wrong distribution instead of correct distribution. So now we have to rectify the error. Means this is the correct one ratio. Actually they have to distribute in this ratio, but by mistakenly they had distributed in 2:1:3. Okay, so how we will rectify the error? So let us start the sum. See, the correct ratio is 3:2:3, right? The wrong ratio is 2:1:3, and the profit of the firm is 1,35,000. This I have written from the question. Now make one table, particular name of all three individual partner, that is Sheila, Surbi and Sanket. Now we have to make first of all a correct distribution. Okay, what is our correct ratio? That is 3:2:3. Okay, so we have to distribute this 1,35,000 in 3:2:3, and you know how to distribute. Let us see here. First of all, we will write 1,35,000 multiply by Sheila ratio is 3, right? So we will multiply by 3. And the sum of all three ratio, that is 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 3 8. Okay, so divided by 8. So here the correct distribution for Sheila will be 50,625. So here I had made 50,625. Okay, now for Surbi, again for Surbi we will do the calculation. 1,35,000 multiply by 2 divided by sum of all ratio, okay, that is 8. So the answer will come 33,750. And in the same way we will make the correct distribution for Sanket. Now we have to make the distribution that is wrong ratio. Our wrong ratio is 2:1:3. Okay, so for Sheila is 2, for Surbi will be 1 and Sanket will be 3, and sum of all three ratio will be 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 6. Okay, so 1,35,000 multiply by 2 divided by 6, so our answer will be 45,000. In the same way we will do for Surbi and Sanket. Now what to do? We have to subtract from correct distribution to wrong distribution. Okay, again I am speaking, we have to subtract these two numbers from correct to wrong. So if we will subtract 50,625 from 45,000, our answer will come 5,650. 25. That will be credit. Credit means if answer comes in positive. Okay, so we will write here credit. Again, for Surbhi, we will subtract this both amount, that is 33,750 minus 22,500. So our answer will come 11,250. This answer will also come in plus sign, that means it is a credit. Now see for the last one, in Sanket here it is 50,000 and here it is 67,000. Okay, again in Sanket here is the smaller amount and here is a bigger amount. So you know that answer will come in negative after subtracting it. Okay, so here the Sanket will come in negative answer, means he is getting loss, that means a debit. We have to write debit here and the sign will be negative. So after calculating this, we have to make a general entry. So for that you have to remember that the partner which comes in negative, that is Sanket, that partner should be debited in the general entry. Okay, and the partner which comes in positive, that is credit, that two partners should be credited on the credit side of the general entry. So let us see the general entry. Sanket capital account debit. Why it is debit? Because our answer is coming in negative. To Sheila's capital, to Surbhi's capital. These two partner is on credit side because in the calculation both the partners answer coming in plus. That means it is a credit. Okay. So in this way we will rectify the error for the sum number 6.